I'm going to try to get down here. It's pouring down, raining on me. I done fell in the Mississippi River, but look at this big old fish here. I don't even know what all this means. Come here, the Bible. Come here. I'm just going to keep you on the stringer. Oh, shit. My fish come off. Look how big he is. That's all right. Look, before the before the Mississippi River takes us, look at him. Look how big he is. Go on now. Go on. You're free. Go ahead. Look at this big boy here. Look at this big boy here. Go on, you free. Now that's a fish. It's storming out here. But I wouldn't have it any other way. I got 3 lines running. I'm covered in the mud. Now I'm stuck in the river again. Lord Jesus help me. Y'all have a beautiful Sunday.